In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through using your web browser's built-in translation tools to view QuickBooks in the language you prefer. This method is simple, works best in modern browsers like Chrome or Edge, and changes how the interface appears to you without affecting your company data. First, go to QuickBooks Online and sign in. You can be on the dashboard or any page inside QuickBooks. Having the site open will let you immediately see the changes as you adjust your language settings. Next, look to the top right corner of your browser for the three dots menu. Click it to open the browser menu. In many cases, you'll see a translate option right there, or you may notice a small translate icon appear in the address bar when the page is detected in another language. Click Translate, then choose the language you want to use. The page will refresh and the visible text in the QuickBooks interface should switch to your selection. Keep in mind that some items, like images or certain app labels, may not change because they aren't text that the browser can translate. If you don't see a translate option in the menu or the address bar, don't worry. Open the same three dots menu again and select Settings. This is where your browser keeps the language controls that enable translation features. Inside Settings, use the search box to look for language. Open the language section, then add the language you want. After adding it, you can enable options such as offering to translate pages that aren't in a language you read. This ensures the translate prompt shows up when you're on sites like QuickBooks. Once added, go back to QuickBooks, and if you don't see the translate prompt, refresh the page. You can also click the translate icon in the address bar if it appears, or right-click the page and select Translate to force the translation. To switch languages later, repeat the same action and pick a different language, or return to Settings to manage your preferences. A couple of tips before we wrap up. Browser translation affects what you see in your browser. It doesn't change your company's original data or your QuickBooks subscription settings. If you need to revert, use the Translate icon to switch back to the original language. Also, different browsers may label these options slightly differently, but the flow is the same. Open the menu, find Translate, or enable it in Settings under Language, then apply it to QuickBooks. That's it. You're now ready to view QuickBooks Online in the language that works best for you.